Imagine your body as a magnificent machine, one that repairs itself, powers your daily activities, and keeps you thriving through life's challenges. But what if I told you there's one nutrient that fuels this entire system? It's not carbs. It's not fats. It's protein. Yes, the key to your body's strength, energy, and resilience lies in this essential nutrient. Yet most people either ignore its importance or consume it the wrong way. Today, we're diving into the science, debunking myths, and showing you how to make protein work for you. Ready to level up your health? Let's get started. In the previous session, we tackled carbohydrates, an often misunderstood yet crucial macronutrient. We learned how carbs fuel your body, especially during high-intensity activities, but we also saw how too many carbs can wreak havoc on your health when not managed properly. Today, however, it's time to shift our focus to protein, arguably the most essential building block of life. Protein isn't just a nutrient you eat, it's what you are. Your hair, skin, nails, and muscles are made of protein. Your enzymes, which speed up chemical reactions in your body, are proteins. Even your hormones, the messengers that control everything from mood to metabolism, rely on protein. So if carbs are the fuel your body burns, protein is the foundation it's built on. But here's where things get interesting. Not all proteins are created equal, and not everyone knows how much they need to eat or which sources to prioritize. Did you know that protein from animal sources is far more bioavailable than plant protein? Or that combining certain plant proteins can mimic the benefits of animal-based options? These are just some of the questions we'll answer in today's session. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what protein is, its various roles in the body, and how you can optimize your diet for better health, energy, and longevity. We'll also bust common myths about protein, like whether eating too much harms your kidneys, or if plant-based diets provide enough of it. Ready to unlock the secrets of this powerhouse nutrient? Stay tuned, because what you'll learn today could revolutionize the way you eat and live. To understand protein's importance, we first need to understand what it is. Protein is one of the three macronutrients, alongside fats and carbohydrates, that your body needs in large amounts to function. But while fats and carbs mainly act as energy sources, protein has a more complex role. It's both structural and functional. Think of it as the bricks and the workers that build and maintain your body. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids, 9 of which are considered essential. Why essential? Because your body can't make them on its own. You must get them through food. Animal-based proteins like meat, eggs, fish, and dairy are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Plant-based proteins, on the other hand, are often incomplete, lacking 1 or more essential amino acids. But don't worry, combining plant proteins can help you achieve a complete amino acid profile. For example, eating rice with beans or lentils with whole grain bread creates a protein-rich meal that mimics the benefits of animal-based options. So why does this matter? Because protein isn't just about muscle building. It's about repair, growth, and maintaining critical bodily functions. Your body uses protein to create enzymes, which speed up reactions like digesting food or producing energy. It also forms antibodies, the proteins that fight off infections. And let's not forget structural proteins like collagen and keratin, which keep your skin firm and your hair strong. In short, without enough protein, your body's foundation starts to crumble. Muscles weaken, wounds heal slower, and even your immune system becomes compromised. So, the next time you sit down for a meal, ask yourself, is there enough protein on my plate? Did you know that the macronutrients you eat have a direct impact on your hormones? Among these, insulin plays a critical role in regulating your blood sugar levels and overall energy balance. Most people associate insulin spikes with sugary foods or high-carb meals. But here's something surprising. Protein also affects insulin, albeit in a very different way. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, causing your blood sugar levels to rise. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, which helps shuttle glucose into your cells for energy. But this spike and drop pattern can lead to energy crashes and, over time, insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Protein, however, creates a smoother response. While it does trigger some insulin release, the effect is far less dramatic than that of carbs. For example, when you eat a chicken breast or a boiled egg, your blood sugar levels remain stable. This makes protein an excellent choice for sustained energy and metabolic health. What's even more fascinating is how your body can convert protein into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. This happens when your body needs energy, but doesn't have enough carbohydrates available. Unlike the rapid sugar rush from carbs, gluconeogenesis provides a steady supply of glucose, minimizing fluctuations in blood sugar and insulin levels. Understanding this balance is crucial, especially if you're managing conditions like diabetes or aiming for weight loss. Protein not only helps stabilize blood sugar, but also keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. When it comes to protein sources, not all are created equal. Animal proteins like eggs, chicken, fish, and dairy are often hailed as superior, and for good reason. They're complete proteins with high bioavailability, meaning your body can absorb and use them efficiently. For example, eggs are considered a perfect protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids in a form that's easy to digest. Plant proteins, on the other hand, come with limitations. While they can still provide valuable nutrients, most are incomplete proteins, missing one or more essential amino acids. They also contain anti-nutrients like lectins and oxalates, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. However, with the right combinations, like pairing lentils with rice, you can create meals that mimic the benefits of animal proteins. Which should you prioritize? The answer depends on your goals and dietary preferences, but a balanced approach is often best. For example, you might aim for 50% of your protein intake from animal sources and 50% from plants. This not only ensures you're getting all essential amino acids, but also incorporates the fiber, vitamins, and minerals found in plant-based foods. When we talk about protein, it's easy to think of muscles and gym-goers guzzling protein shakes. But the truth is that protein is involved in almost every single function of your body. Let's break down its many roles to understand just how indispensable it is. First, protein is essential for growth and development. During childhood, adolescence, and even pregnancy, your body demands high amounts of protein to support rapid growth and tissue development. For children, this means building muscles, bones, and organs, while for pregnant women, it supports both maternal health and fetal development. Next, let's talk about its structural role. Proteins like collagen and keratin are the backbone of your body's physical framework. Collagen is found in your skin, tendons, and ligaments, giving them strength and elasticity, while keratin is the protein that makes your hair and nails tough and resilient. Even your muscles, which power your every move, are built from proteins like actin and myosin. But protein doesn't stop there. It's also the engine behind your enzymatic functions. Think of enzymes as tiny biological machines that speed up the chemical reactions in your body. From digesting food to producing energy, these protein-based molecules are critical to keeping your body running smoothly. Hormones are another area where protein shines. Did you know that many of your body's most important hormones, like insulin and glucagon, are proteins? These hormones regulate your blood sugar levels, ensuring your body has the energy it needs without causing harmful spikes or crashes. protein also plays a starring role in transport and storage. For instance, hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells, carries oxygen from your lungs to every cell in your body. Another protein, albumin, helps maintain the right balance of fluids in your bloodstream, preventing swelling and dehydration. And we can't overlook its role in immunity. Antibodies, the proteins your body produces to fight infections, are your immune system's frontline defenders. Without sufficient protein, your body can't mount an effective defense against bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens. Finally, protein is vital for healing and pH regulation. When you get a cut or injury, proteins like fibrin and collagen jump into action, helping to repair the damage. Hemoglobin, on the other hand, helps regulate your blood's pH levels, keeping it slightly alkaline so your cells can function optimally. Simply put, protein is the multitasking hero of your body. It builds, repairs, protects, and regulates, ensuring every system works in harmony. That's why getting enough protein isn't just important, it's essential for your survival. Now that you understand the importance of protein, let's talk about how much you need and the best ways to include it in your diet. The FDA recommends a daily protein intake of 1 gram per kilogram of body weight. For the average adult, this means around 50 to 60 grams per day. However, this number can vary based on your age, activity level, and specific health needs. For example, children, pregnant women, and athletes may require significantly more protein to support growth and muscle repair. So where should you get your protein? Experts recommend a balanced approach, with 50% coming from animal sources and 50% from plants. Animal-based proteins, like eggs, meat, fish, and dairy, are complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. They're also highly bioavailable, which means your body can easily absorb and use them. Plant-based proteins, like lentils, chickpeas, nuts, and grains, are also valuable but often incomplete. To make the most of plant proteins, combine them strategically. For example, pairing rice with beans or eating hummus with whole grain bread creates a complete amino acid profile. Here's a practical breakdown. Animal sources. 100 grams of chicken breast provides about 31 grams of protein, while a single egg offers 6 grams. Plant sources. A cup of cooked lentils has 18 grams of protein, and a handful of almonds gives you 6 grams. If you're on a budget, don't worry. Protein doesn't have to be expensive. Affordable options like eggs, canned tuna, and legumes are nutrient-dense and cost-effective. For instance, an egg costs just a few cents but delivers high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline. For those with specific dietary needs, like vegetarians or vegans, it's crucial to focus on variety. Incorporate tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and fortified plant-based milk to ensure you're meeting your protein requirements. Finally, don't forget about portion sizes. Overeating protein won't necessarily lead to better health. In fact, excess protein can strain your kidneys and be stored as fat. Aim for a balanced diet where protein is part of a well-rounded meal that includes healthy fats and complex carbs. In short, eating enough protein doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning, you can ensure every meal is both nutritious and satisfying. If you think protein is only about muscles and energy, think again. One of protein's most critical roles lies in building and maintaining a strong immune system. Without it, your body's defenses would crumble, leaving you vulnerable to illness and infection. Proteins like immunoglobulins, better known as antibodies, are your immune system soldiers. These proteins identify and neutralize harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses, ensuring they don't wreak havoc on your health. Without adequate protein, your body can't produce enough antibodies, weakening your immune response. Protein also supports the production of white blood cells, which act as the first line of defense against infections. For example, if you catch a cold, your immune system ramps up the production of these cells to fight off the virus. However, if your diet is low in protein, this response can be delayed or ineffective. Another way protein boosts immunity is through its role in producing cytokines, the signaling molecules that coordinate your body's response to threats. Think of cytokines as your body's emergency alert system, rallying immune cells to the site of an infection or injury. But it's not just about fighting infections. Protein also plays a key role in wound healing and tissue repair. Collagen, a structural protein, is especially important in rebuilding skin and connective tissue after an injury. Finally, protein impacts your overall health through its relationship with insulin regulation. A protein-rich diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, which can weaken your immune system over time. The takeaway? Prioritize protein not just for strength and energy, but also for resilience. A diet rich in high-quality protein can help you build a body that's not only strong but also equipped to withstand life's challenges. Protein isn't just a nutrient, it's the backbone of your health and vitality. From building muscles and repairing tissues to producing hormones and strengthening your immune system, protein is involved in almost every aspect of your body's function. So what are the key takeaways? First, aim for a balanced protein intake, about 1 gram per kilogram of your body weight. Second, prioritize complete proteins from diverse sources, including both animal and plant-based options. And finally, remember that protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's for anyone who wants to live a healthier, stronger, and more resilient life. As you plan your meals this week, think about how you can incorporate more high-quality protein. Whether it's a boiled egg for breakfast, grilled chicken for lunch, or a hearty lentil soup for dinner, every small change adds up. Start paying attention to your protein intake. Experiment with new recipes, try different sources, and find what works best for you. Share your favorite protein-packed meals in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might benefit from understanding the power of protein. Because at the end of the day, the choices you make today shape your health tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content that empowers you to take charge of your health. Take care.